it in. Oh my God, see the lime. See the lime on top. So delicious yesterday. And this is the banana bread with flour, banana, jam. I use jam to replace the sugar, and lime. See the outcome. Really, really good. See the color. It's really good. You have to go and watch the video so you can try this banana bread. You put egg, the lime, the skin of the lime. See the outcome. So delicious. If you missed the video, you can go and watch it back. See the outcome of the banana bread with jam, egg, nutmeg, the lime. You use the back